Here are 9 incredibly important money lessons that weren't taught to us in school. Lesson 1. The intrinsic link between money and value. In our formative years, the curriculum omits a crucial financial truth. Money is inherently connected to value. Zig Ziglar once eloquently stated, "You can have everything in life you want if you help enough other people get what they want." This philosophy transforms the conventional approach to wealth creation. Contrary to the traditional belief that income is solely a byproduct of employment, defined by job titles and industry sectors, I've discovered that wealth can be amassed beyond the confines of a 9-to-5 job. My research revealed that individuals, some significantly younger and engaged in unconventional professions, not only found greater satisfaction but also outpaced me financially. This realization was liberating. Wealth accumulation isn't exclusive to the twilight years of one's career. The essence of money is intertwined with the value you offer. The broader the audience you positively influence with your contributions, the higher your earning potential. Consider the titans of industry: innovative entrepreneurs, visionary designers, and creative artists. They address societal needs or solve problems on a grand scale. Redefine your perception of money. It's not a reward exclusive to traditional employment. By delivering genuine value and touching the lives of many, you'll find that financial rewards naturally gravitate towards you, in direct correlation to the impact of your contributions. Lesson 2. Cultivating your financial perspective. Another lesson absent from academic syllabi is the development of a personal financial viewpoint. Our education system molds us to adhere to set instructions and establish thought processes, which often persist into adulthood. However, possessing a unique stance on finances is a rarity and invaluable. The tendency to mimic others' financial choices, be it investments or consumer habits, is a safety net born from the assumption that the majority knows best. Yet, this herd mentality can lead to unfulfilling conformity. I've embraced my financial perspective. My Samsung Galaxy phone from 2019 remains functional, negating the need for an upgrade. The crux is not the judgment of others, but the self-assurance in your financial decisions. Forge your path, unswayed by the prevailing winds of societal norms. When you stand firm in your convictions, you navigate your financial journey with confidence and authenticity. Lesson 3. Budgeting as the gateway to financial liberation. A vital lesson often overlooked in educational settings is that budgeting equates to freedom. Imagine encountering a business oblivious to its financial inflows and outflows. Its longevity and capacity for expansion would be questionable. In the corporate world, meticulous financial tracking is a cornerstone for growth, strategic planning, and stability. Yet, when we transpose this principle to our personal finances, it's frequently perceived as a harbinger of austerity. However, this perspective is a misconception. Budgeting should be viewed as a strategic tool for fostering financial growth and autonomy. It's not about restriction. It's about empowerment and making informed choices that align with your goals. A well-structured budget acts as a compass, guiding you towards your aspirations, be it securing a down payment for a new abode or indulging in a rejuvenating vacation. It's the blueprint for achieving your desires in a responsible and sustainable manner. Lesson 4. Prioritizing assets over liabilities. Another critical financial concept not imparted in traditional education is the prioritization of assets over liabilities. Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad was a revelation for many, clarifying the distinction between the two. An asset, as Kiyosaki defines, is something that puts money in your pocket, such as a rental property generating steady income. In contrast, a liability, like a car, continually drains your resources through maintenance and other recurring costs. The strategy for early wealth accumulation is to concentrate on amassing assets. These can include investments like stocks, bonds, or real estate, all of which have the potential to create passive income streams. Once a solid asset foundation is established, one might then consider acquiring liabilities. However, The trap many fall into is reversing this order, splurging on liabilities immediately upon earning. This approach leads to a cycle of working for money rather than having money work for you. The key is to build your assets first, which then affords you the luxury of purchasing liabilities without compromising your financial stability. Lesson 5. The art of selecting a fulfilling career. Your career is not just a job. It's your most potent tool for wealth creation. It's startling but true. Many among us are ensnared in careers that offer little beyond a monthly salary. This widespread discontent stems from a societal expectation that work is merely a means to an end, not a source of personal fulfillment. We're conditioned to believe that academic achievements pave the way to a successful career. Yet, we're seldom taught to align our career choices with our passions, which is essential for long-term wealth and happiness. It's worth investing time to discover a vocation that ignites your enthusiasm, one that you can commit to for years to come. The dichotomy many face is a well-paying job that's joyless or a fulfilling job that doesn't pay well. Striking a balance is key. Sometimes this may mean exploring new avenues or taking lateral moves in your career journey. Such paths can lead to a level of satisfaction and prosperity that many never attain. Lesson 6. Navigating the tax labyrinth. When it comes to taxes, there's a glaring gap in our education. In the UK, for instance, income tax is the government's primary source of revenue, with billions collected annually. Yet, we're not instructed on how to optimize our taxes, a skill that could significantly enhance our financial health. Different streams of income are taxed at varying rates. Employment income often bears the heaviest tax burden, with rates soaring up to 45%. This doesn't even account for the six-figure curse, where the effective tax rate can reach an astonishing 60% on certain income brackets. In contrast, business income enjoys more favorable tax treatment. Not only are corporate rates generally lower, but business expenses can be deducted pre-tax, reducing the overall tax liability. Investment income often receives the most advantageous tax treatment, with certain earnings like stocks or bonds being tax-exempt in some scenarios. Understanding these nuances could empower us to make more informed financial decisions. While such knowledge is seldom imparted in school, it's crucial for those looking to take control of their financial destiny. Lesson 7. The compelling case for investing. Understanding the power of investing is pivotal, yet it's a subject rarely broached in our school years. Let's delve into the significance of investing using a simple example. Suppose you invest $1,000 in a venture yielding a 10% return annually. You're faced with a choice: withdraw the $100 gain each year or reinvest it. If you opt to spend the interest annually, maintaining the initial investment, you'll enjoy an additional $100 yearly. Fast forward 30 years, and you'll have amassed $4,000. The original $1,000 plus $3,000 from the annual interest withdrawals. Now, consider the alternative where you allow your earnings to compound. At the end of the same period, you'd witness your investment balloon to over $17,000, a sum quadruple that of the first scenario. This exponential growth is the magic of compound interest, where you earn returns not only on your principal amount, but also on the accrued interest year after year. The most potent ally in the realm of compound interest is time. The sooner you commence, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. These insights into the essence of investing are among the 7 critical financial lessons that, regrettably, aren't part of standard education but undoubtedly should be. Lesson 8. Embracing economic cycles. Understanding and embracing economic cycles is crucial for financial stability. The economy moves in cycles of expansion and contraction. During expansions, jobs are plentiful and markets rise. During contractions, the opposite occurs. By recognizing these patterns, you can better prepare for the inevitable ups and downs. This means saving during prosperous times and being cautious with investments during downturns. It's about being proactive rather than reactive to the economic tides. Lesson 9. The power of financial literacy. Financial literacy is a superpower that schools often overlook. It's the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. The key to unlocking this power lies in education and practice. By becoming financially literate, you can make informed decisions that significantly improve your life. It's not just about reading numbers. It's about interpreting them, understanding market trends, and foreseeing potential risks and opportunities. I'm eager to hear your thoughts. Let me know which lesson resonated with you the most and what action you plan to take after absorbing this information. Thank you for engaging with this content. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this.